I never ramp with Ivany them blood clot way. They give thanks to all of the gift them my people. You understand me? I say? You must be mad. There is a lot of people you play with in a social media. But you say, Ivany, I want that you don't. Talk to me again, people. You say, people. You see, when you think I lie, me I tell, bust a ramp with Ivany. Eh? Mr. Ivany come in on my inbox already a page. See that page here? Where you on every day I cuss me. One day they so wake up and I see it. I mean I fight the first time. I mean if a blood clot, I peel feet, you know. Me good. You mad? Mama good. Mama will tear up everything. Mama craft God. Mama see blood. That's why I see everybody at talk about that. Yes. Me have Ivany now. No, watch out for them blood clot page them. Bravo, no not see nobody a lose the page them yet. But people, you see when it come out to Ivany, probably should not take a page today. I should not take it tomorrow, but Ivany I take it. Mr. She take it so she stay. Mr. She take it. Bumbo clot there, my boy, man. I say, hey, me never see she not take it yet. She ease now? No, sir, I'm afraid Ivany never use it, man. All I know underneath you say what talk about Ivany change now. Go see it, God. Ivany, you must see blood clot, madman. Me say Ivany coming like a single Bible in my mouth, man. A bitter taste. What? You must see mad, man. She have it. Me afraid of Ivany, man. Eh? You must be like you don't know some more smart with it. When nobody feel like someone can come catch Ivany at the night, mama smart with it, my people. Eh? Mr. Ivany take page and make it look like I know him take it. Ivany take page and come right there and brawling, come bawling in front of the whole house and tell them that she had nothing to do with it. When time the page they take and not even want to fear device she use. I saw the girl full of craft, brother. I don't know mama, man. Mama craft, God. You have to catch Ivany. And that hard video. Me bumbuck, I like say I don't understand what mama do. Me pussy get joking. Me no time to see blood clot Ivany. I don't have anything to say about you, Ivany. Remember say me know say you're cold. You hear that, mama? Remember say me know say your blood clot cold. You must say blood clot, but Ivany and no change a change. Huh? All I want to say, you should have did know better. All I know. Well, you know, say she'd have up enough of blood clot, you know. Because someone when me see that talk to blood clot or and I did have some big altercation and cussing. I don't know the girl have no up and still because all I want to be come to help us. All I want to come to help us. When you know a girl have no up for a long time down the church out and on the church out and I don't know, so I never did like one another from blood clot long time. But everybody in America now come to blood clot help us. Yes, help. Church out and there, church out and there. To some people who know none of them have beef from them long time. They who don't trust them people here so much with them. And I see them dwelling with you. You mad? You're not mad, man. I'm not the youngest man that I take up people who want blood. Give thanks everybody for the gift them. Swear to God, I appreciate it. When time I see it, I say, alright. Who no blood clot, go and change it. Big up, mama. Big up. I swear to God. Thanks for life goal. You understand me? And make a tell you this. You see in America, eating pussy and ass is a thing, fam. You understand me? Yeah. That's nothing here in America. But the Jamaicans are going to call you tissue. Them are going to call you all of the shit driving material them. You understand me? This is America. Pleasing your woman. eating out our pussy, licking our from back. All of these things is in their sex life. Thanks to the gifts, everybody. You understand me? Listen to me now. No, you cannot bring down somebody for doing it. You let him do it, Vani. I'm not cussing you, but Vani, you do it. Why you make him lick it out then? If you so burn it out, even burn it out, why you let him lick out it? And I hear you ask him if he lick it out from the sitting, on the TV. Me hear you on the TV, I tell him, say, oh, lick my crap. I'm rare. Why you ask the man to lick it, you know? I don't know at the end of the whole scenario, you cuss off his mouth. You didn't like your ass eating because I don't like you not feel good. Right? I don't know if you feel good, but mostly because everybody I do it. Don't ask me nothing, pussy. Don't ask me get it, I don't do it. Don't ask me nothing about my sex. This is what I'm saying. They them put out that, so listen to what me I said. In this country, people are gonna do what make you, you know, you're doing you're rare and a finger on one another. Them are gonna do what them do. What make you feel good. Licking out the little ass and lick out the clit, and you are gonna do those type of stuff because in real life, that's how them have sex here. I mean, you have to open. If you don't, you're not open. Why you make him do that to you then, and then you cuss off his mouth after all? You're a hypocrite because no anybody will see you and want to be with you, not going to open up to you no more because the boy open up him sexual appetite to you, and what you do? You cuss him out. You tell him him a rare eater and them look. That's joke thing. You understand him a try to please you? I mean hear you ask him. Me hear you ask him for please do it to you on the live. Like yeah, you know what I mean? Come on, man. Remember you're in a different country now, Vani. You cannot come up here with your same local Jamaica style. These people have sex different here. Nobody no expect you to just come put your little pretty little lip them on your hood, suck you off, then he give you two backers, come in your world. No, them Yankee believe in a, you know, suck on the little pussy right there, lick the crack, you know what I mean? Lick up and down, feel good, rub on your shit. Yeah. He might teach you a difference, and then no, you never come cuss off all of them man you give you out for suck and never eat back your pussy. And look at you now, I discriminate the youth. You're wrong, Vani. I mean, come on, girl. You're not supposed to do that because no, nobody now gonna trust you. You understand me? I say anybody can just dead here and feel good and do look rare to you. Come on, sex is something where people explore. I mean, you know, cuss off the youth. The youth is a nice youth. I mean, look at sound rate young thug and him say, eat the booty like a grocery. A man grocery you. And always I sing some tune and I don't know them a what. And as soon as you get look a grocery, thanks to your first gift, mama, I couldn't believe that is grocery. And the man do the grocery to you, what you do? You come and you bring down the man in front of all of these people. Come on now, Vani. I thought you were freakier than that. Remember you was on the pole at one point and so I can't the first time somebody make off of your rear with them mouth like that. I mean, what the fuck? As a polar. And you know you are a polar. Come on now, father, man. You see me? Look how you embarrass the youth. Me hear somebody come on the youth live, but howey, do you want to eat my booty for $1,000? All them look at something. Don't let nobody style the people and boy pitney like that. Come on, man. Don't shame the youth. You understand me? I don't dare anyone do these things to you, man. You shouldn't insult him and them look how weird them and answer and tell everybody and stuff. You understand me? Come on, man. Making people disrespect him and like him and walk and him body, everybody so. You understand me? I say, thank God you did clean enough somebody, you know what I mean, and maneuver upon your body and lick you the right way and them look away there. Come on now, Vani, I can't believe you, man. You know? And you say you're going to jail and you make them girl name you out and sit and read. So you go in and you make a girl name out there and you go in and go get it for the state. And you deal with the youth, so man. Oh God, Vani. You're wicked. Come on, man. Man. Damn. I can't believe you, youth. Eh? It no matter if 3 weeks, then they are 3 days. If the Yankee don't like to eat ass. If you know about Yankee style, you know about Yankee style. Them are going to eat like a pussy and look at ass. Let me give people eat them look at ass. If they want to eat them look at ass, then they look at pussy and sitting. You understand me? I say, come down for the man's hard, man, and red. And thing. Come on, man. And you're going like a him alone there. Something. You understand me? All of them up here and look at something. You're going to bring down that pan the youth and them look at style there red. You understand me? No, you man not going to trust them more yard girl. You understand me? And you know when you're down jail, you get for the state. You all of them girl over there red with you and pan the look at clitoris and sitting. And oh God, me shame for the youth because me see the man live. I'm see the man disrespect you youth, man. Why you never come tell we story them? Oh, they near me out in a jail. You ready if you come talk about how we poor look man? You think of your ass alone in the eat? He eat other ass, but they not come out. It wasn't a thing to talk about, Barney. So when they eat, look at ass, and I like it, look at the Yankee, they come over and say, I eat ass, because everybody eat ass. You understand me? I say, you make it look a way now upon the youth. Pick up your horse eating self, your youth. Because if my wife want me eat her ass, I'm going to do it. Your wife on that, Danny. Yeah, the one, Father. Relax, son, relax. I get overexcited. You know what I mean? You do your thing, you do your thing. You understand me? You know That no lie. Try to look at us eating thing that already, boy. It's not for me, fam. We go there and they right there, I'm just say, boy. The yard man in a Father. Remember the mug them. We got that one. You're a big man. You talk about man. Right? Yeah, man, I try it already, man. Thanks to all of the gift them. Yeah, I try it now. People watching it. Try it. It wasn't for me. You understand me? That foreign, I try to look at new things. You understand me? I said. But, Owie, big up yourself. Because, you see, if I went, this one, me got the ridge I bought it, you see, if I could have eat it, I would do it. But then, I say, for I make for poop. You understand? And I like saying I say make for poop like me want more poop. My wife would have never, Jesus Christ, done this argument left to right in the middle and the center. Yo, scratch all of that, man. That's ease off that. Ease off that talk there. You understand me? Yeah, me go there and couldn't do it. You understand me? Yeah, man, my friend them straight. I can't do a whole of them only for argument at the same time, right? Give thanks to all of the gifts them people. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much, you know? Wow, that's crazy. I mean, that loose, man. But anyway, as I say, my God, let me drink the water. Oh, shit. No, man, I'm not drink no water after I talk about eating ass. No, I don't nothing going in my mouth right now. All right. As me I say, you come a foreign, this is something new to you. You don't know. Say, up here you have to eat out some. Mama, this is America. First of all, I never damn pussy back with you till me come here. So that will show you. Me not try to tell you, say, me like damn pussy back with you or nothing like that. You understand me? As mommy does say, me, because America, you know, Get what me I say? These people are different. Them fluent in a sexual thing. You understand me? You use the light up on belly and eat out some. No, you buck up a Yankee them, you name from back or your side, you my tup out half a bed and you just a liquor. As I tell you, say, you can't come back and cook the mind open, the heart open, pussy open, them do what they do. You understand me? Me not tell you, say, yo, you have to come back and come turn Yankee and be ass and them thing there. But you have to try new things. And you know you can't just accompany internet and cuss off the people and tell them so they have to stop eat ass. And with Jamaicans they make everything sound bad. I mean right now you know what Jamaicans they are foreign and eat ass now. Believe or some dumb day. Low you always. You see me I say, no for them Jamaican girl up here make man eat them ass on the don't come for me. You hear me? Ask them underneath it no man. And yeah, cool on yourself, cool on your bumbuckle yourself. Don't all toes, heel back. Them girls that come a foreign come get some real things done to them. Them never know so them the part of them body they can't make them come. I like apple. Apple? Don't ramp with me because I know about you know you love when the man they nibble you. But me just assess still. Come on now, man. That creepy. Man, stay down there with your stupid ass sex life, man. Fuck you, bro. I'm gonna try shit. Make you come, suck off toe. Ooh. One time I suck off my wife, two of them. She kicked me right in my mouth. Why? None of we not used to this suck off toe thing. My wife never get her two of them suck off yet. Me never suck off no toe yet. So he hit me. No kick me now, like him, you know, him you. When me put it there, cause she just do a pedicure and the foot them so pretty and thick. So when me grab her up on the foot now and make her right now, when me put down my mouth on it, my hip me, you know what hip mean? Hip, like, you know, hip you. So through me get the hip, it bust me lip. So me not really suck no toe after that. You understand me? But you are gonna do it. You see me? Mr. Father. Yeah, it feels, she said ticklish. Yeah, she said ticklish. So, you know, one time it tickle, she does because it feel, me know I feel good, but it don't feel good when I get kicked in your mouth. Eh? Oh, Lord God. What? What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck you saw on the side of my shit? Man, fuck you, nigga. Talking about clean the side of my shit, man, fuck. Whip it good. Huh? What? Y'all fucking up.